In the heart of Borneo lies a lake that disappears every dry season and returns like an inland sea when the rains come. This is not one lake. It's a vast network of lakes and forests unlike anywhere else on Earth. Located in the remote upper reaches of the Kapuas River in West Kalimantan, Indonesia, Danau Sentarum National Park is so remote that for generations many villages could only be reached by boat. During the rainy season, the waters rise and transform the landscape into a vast inland sea. Then, in the dry season, much of the water disappears, revealing forests, grasslands, and hidden channels. This ever-changing wetland is one of the richest freshwater ecosystems in Southeast Asia, home to orangutans, crocodiles, hornbills, and some of the world's rarest fish. And this is only the beginning, because in Sentarum there are still countless stories waiting to be discovered. What secrets should we explore next? Follow for more stories from Borneo.